Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can enable the download option for your videos on the Rednote application. So guys, if you post videos and you want others to download your videos, how you need to enable that option. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Rednote application. Once you do so, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the Me option right at the bottom. From there, you need to tap on the setting icon. So you will access settings. From here, you need to go to privacy. So once you go to the privacy, here you will find allow download my videos. I disable this option, or if it is disabled by default, so you can just tap on here and you can enable that option. So from now on, if you post videos on Rednote application, other users will be able to download your videos. So just for example, I will go back and suppose I open this video. You need to tap on the share option. See, this person doesn't allow the video to be downloaded. So I will go to another, and here you will find the option save to album. So if you enable that one, other user can also find this option and download your videos to their phone. So guys, this is how you can enable the download option for your videos. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.